Alex, it's fair to say this has been very popular here, what we're seeing behind us here, gear skiving. We talk a lot about this in the UK and now around the world. What are you showing here at these technology days at Horn?
Behind us we're showing one of our latest systems released, which we're moving into, which is gear skiving, as you said. We're looking to basically produce internal or external gear forms quite quickly.
These have to be highly accurate as well though, don't they? How do you achieve that?
Well, Horn always strives to achieve the utmost accuracy and precision at the cutting edge. That's our focus. Now we can also help this with the machine capability. We're talking about spindle synchronicity in terms of the synchronicity between the spindle and the rotating tool. With these factors coupled together, accurate tooling and a synchronized machine, you can get some really good results.
It's a good combination, and I can imagine that this will open up new avenues for engineers, change the way they do things, won't it? Make them more efficient in their processes.
Yeah, certainly. I mean, before now, you're probably more likely to internally broach with a Horn tool to produce an internal gear form. Perhaps you can mill externally, but it all depends on access. Now, the move into gear skiving certainly opens up many new possibilities for us.